Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the third option in right-sided tool panel, which is array and nesting. It concludes rectangular array, polar array, the function along the path, and nesting. Okay, let's start from rectangular array. First of all we need some shape, so I'm going to draw a rectangle, and now we have to choose how many rows and columns we'd like it to have, and the distance between x and the distance between y. It's very important to make those distance larger than sides of this rectangle, so the x must be bigger than this and dy bigger than that. Okay, so let's start by selecting it, and the number of rows, let's do it firstly 3 on 3. Dx is going to be, for example, 200 and dy 300. Okay, as you can see it looks like that. You can change it. For example, it's also going to be 300. Now it's more like this. Maybe let's change the rows and the columns. Now it's look like that. Now maybe let's use this option to make them in the center. And now it looks like that. The next one is polar array. As before, let's draw some shape. And now we have to choose the count, the angle, the center of x and the center of y. You can choose if you'd like to rotate copies or not, to do this clockwise or counterclockwise, or include the original or not. So just make it like this. And as you can see, our shape looks like that. Now let's change it. Let's change the count and maybe the angle. Let's do it 180. Now it's going to look more like that. It went clockwise. Let's do this like this. It will now anti-clockwise. We can also do this without rotating the copies, and it look like that. Now along the path, let's draw some path. So our path is going to be this shape. Now let's draw some figure which is going to go along this path. So we can choose the mode spacing or count, or count. So now the spacing doesn't matter. The offset, start, trim and trim. Let's go with 0 and 0. Choose to rotate the tangent and fit to path or not. And now we have to choose it, and the second, and you have to choose the path with holding shift. And now it's going to go on this path. You can change the count to, for example, 40. You can change the offset to 5 and the start and trim to, for example, 50. Now we have to select it. Now you can see it looks different. Maybe let's make it 200 to show you how it's going to trim. And now as you can see, trimmed. Now let's change these settings. If we don't press fit to the path, it's going to look more like that. And let's go to nesting. So for nesting, let's draw some rectangle. We choose the number of copies, the spacing, and strategy. Let's stay with this auto strategy and just you press apply. We can also change our parameters. Example 6 and spacing to 100. Now it looks like that. That's all the things I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching.